birds.
Would you stop scaring me like
He
that?
just smacked into the window. Look at him.
Come here.
He's right there. He's
There's
right
a
there.
hawk trying to smack into the window to get the birds.
Let me see.
Get him, look.
He just smacked
Oh,
into the
wow.
window. I was wondering why the birds were
Wow.
screaming, and I just heard bam. He just smacked into the window.
Who's fucking hawk?
Oh my God.
I'll take a picture of that.
You gotta see this. Quick, come here. Look in the window.
You birds are about to be hawk meat.
Flying in, smashed into the window, trying to eat the birds.
Here he comes again.
Here he comes. Come here, look at this, Leo. Oh, shit. He smashed into the window again.
Oh shit. He wants to kill you guys.
Come here, look at him. Come here, look at him. It's huge.
He's beautiful.
Oh, sorry. Look at him. No. Come on, did you look? You'll never see anything like this in your life again. My God.
Nature
Phil?
at my front window.
My God.
He wants to kill. Look at us.
You know what? Get poor Bobo and them out away from there. They're scaring them. I
It's
want to see him
scary.
fly at the window again.
I saw it. I was
He's huge.
He's gonna try it again.
There's a lot of pigeons around here. Where did he come from?
Calvin said, he was telling me just the other day they were seeing hawks and over there by his school, and that they almost tried to pick up a small dog.
Remember there was such a park?
Yeah, these are falcons.
He left.